Hello, everyone, and good day. This is Trisha Garcia from National Teachers College, and I am grade 10 proactiveness. And today is my first live stream. That is what we're going to do for today. But today I had to make changes about my agenda. So just a quick share. I was planning to do my first gaming live stream, meaning that I was supposed to play a game in my first live stream. However, due to technical difficulties, I was forced to make a different or make an alternative agenda in order to do this first live stream. So, without any further ado, let me first introduce myself. Of course, here's my worksheet. I will be sharing to you guys what the agenda is for today. And in this case, I will be showing my worksheet in order to be more clear and concise and be more straightforward with you guys. So first and foremost, welcome to my live stream. Again, this is my first live stream and I'm a bit nervous, but here we go. And hopefully in the next live stream, my PC would start to work, and hopefully by then I would be able to download the Google Play Store and download the game that I was planning and hoping to play. Should find out later on in this video. So before, just a backstory. This wasn't Trisha Livestream. This is the YouTube channel that I'm going to use, but this wasn't Trisha Livestream, and this wasn't the logo that I used before. But this is the YouTube channel that I used when I created a YouTube channel for Life Labs as well. So, or TLV. And I've changed the logo. I did this, believe it or not. Oops. So I did the logo, and I, after that, of course, have decided to change my name into Trisha Livestream since our topic for the school year is live stream. Whereas last year, 11 months ago, as you can see, was how to make a YouTube video and basically do some video editing with the content that we have chosen. And last year, I have chosen chess, did this, and it was 11 months ago. Time truly flies. But anyway, uh, moving on. So here's the thing, since I couldn't do the game, I was thinking of just showing you guys this. So this was my, I believe my APBA number one, yeah, APBA number one during quarter number two. And during quarter number two, we were asked to make a design, like a design that we're going to use during our live stream. But I'll be the first one to admit that I'm not probably going to follow this exact um design, or yeah, design for the live stream or during the time where I'm playing, because I'm still figuring that out. So maybe in the next live stream, if I'm able to finish my my issues or fix my technical issues in the laptop, maybe then we could use this type of design. but as much as possible, I'm gonna keep it as simple and as detailed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically going to show this there. So I'm basically going to just show this part, okay? And I honestly think that I would be able to record the entire chat and game if I finished premiering my live stream, or once I finish premiering my live stream, because I'm not going to use Twitch or Rumble or TikTok or Facebook. I'm going to use YouTube. So in that case, there you will not be seeing this, I guess, these designs. You will not be seeing me as well. So unfortunately, you would not be seeing me because I'm a bit shy. However, Miss March, my SME, allowed me to not show my face since showing your face if you don't want to on the screen is actually kind of illegal due to the Data Privacy Act that we've learned in the previous school year. But moving on, I'm just trying to show you guys what you can expect, let's say, once my live streaming improves. What if my laptop is capable of doing so? But this is basically like an example of what I'm hoping to show during those live streams. And of course, I will be using I will be placing my link here during here during these types of posts. Like I would probably do some, I guess, website and post it. In fact, I think I should post the website that I have made um during the previous quarter, because if I'm not mistaken, I actually did a website like this. In fact, I think this was the website that I've made, but I've edited the website because Miss March allowed us, as long as we were an old student from the previous school year who did this. So in that case scenario, that's my plan, so that people are also aware of what I'm going to do. So wait, let me just go to the website. So I think here, if I'm not mistaken, let's just go here. Wait, hang on, I'm not signed in yet. Just sign in. Let's use Google, of course. Just gonna show you guys what I've done so that you guys would know what I'm going to put. The trial ended up. Oh, okay. Upgrade for premium features. So this was the website before, but hang on. I think I went to a different website. Hang on. I think this is wrong. Yep. So basically, this is a website. Okay. Like, stay on free. Okay. Moving on. So I know this was last year. I thought that I'm going to find um my new one, but this is basically the website I've done last year, and I could copy paste it. And once I find the new one, hang on. Once I find the new one, I will be also posting that on YouTube. But hang on, let me just close the tabs because my laptop is lagging. So that's my first plan. My first plan is once I have finished, I've already finished the logo, sure, and exploring the next level. And I've already finished editing the same YouTube channel. I have a channel that's checked. Number two, I know how to make at least videos, post videos. So that's a good thing. So number three, make a live stream here. I would probably premiere it on YouTube. That's my plan. Actually, I would, I'm planning to just premiere my recordings, my Zoom recordings on YouTube. And while it's premiering, I will be using my other account, which is this one. And I will be giving it hearts and I will be commenting on it I will be commenting some random things just to make sure that the chat is working and the emojis are working. And after this recording, I will be premiering this on YouTube. So and record it again. So that's the plan. And while I'm doing this, I will be taking some screenshots, of course, because um, it needs, it says here in the stream or in the worksheet. Rather. So here, I'm just going to put, after recording this and after premiering it, I'm just going to put the recording of my stream. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I know it's least, I expected it to do this. It's least I expected because I was really hoping to do the game, especially the game that I have chosen is Temple Run. So, of course, Temple Run is a bit old, but I have chosen Temple Run because I wanted to be a different live streamer slash gamer. Not really a huge fan of gaming, but I've decided to pursue gaming since I find it the easiest thing or the easiest content to do if the game that you have chosen is not that difficult. So I've decided to look for a game that's simple yet interesting in a way that even though it's no longer popular or trending, at the very least, at, at the very least, I could say that I grew up doing it, playing it, and it has been my childhood, so it's meaningful to a degree. And What matters the most is that I'm going to be able to do my live stream, whatever that content or whatever or however I'm going to do my live stream. So that's the most important thing. And I would also like to keep it simple because I'm not really trying to be a live streamer. And despite that, I would also like to experience how to be a live streamer without burdening myself or making it hard for me to edit things out or to do this design, streaming design. So yeah, this is what it's called, by the way. This is a streaming design. And after that, um, at least I'm going to have the knowledge on how to live stream, and I'm going to be aware just in case I do it in future projects in which I will. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.